Hi everyone, welcome back to QBO Tips. The last two episodes we started to go through the projects feature in QuickBooks Online. But seeing as how it's Thanksgiving this week and we're all probably a little bit preoccupied, I'm going to call a little bit of an audible and hold off on part 3, which would have been workflow, and do that next week. Now, I didn't put up a video just to tell you that. I also want to mention that QBO has gone through a little bit of a redesign, a refresh. It's got a little bit of a new look to it. It's getting a slow rollout, and Intuit is also packing some new features into QuickBooks Online. Those features also all individually have slow rollouts as well. So some of you may have seen the new features or new look, some of you may have not. It's all going to be phased through. So I wanted to just showcase the refreshed user interface for you and some of the biggest changes that you'll notice. Right away when you log into QBO, you'll notice that it just feels different. And that's because the left navigation bar over here is a much darker gray than it used to be. And this top axis bar up here is a much lighter color than it used to be. Basically what they did is took the color schemes for these two bars and just swapped them out. Functionally, everything's pretty much the way it was. The major change is the quick create, or the plus icon, is up here at the top of the left navigation bar. It also says new in it. It used to be over here in between the search and the gear icon up here. If you click on it, it's the same layout, so functionally nothing's changed with the quick create button. It works exactly the same way, it's just located in a new spot. So that's all I have for you guys this week. Nothing earth-shattering, nothing too groundbreaking. I will be back next week with part 3 of projects in QBO. I hope this helped you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.